Hi, I'm Steve O'Hare from Signal Center Acuity, and welcome to this edition of Market Alerts. We're looking at WTI crude oil. It is July the 4th. Happy Independence Day to all our US friends, and let's dive in to the technicals, and we also go through the new sentiment analysis that we're looking at on WTI crude oil. So from we'll take a look first of all at the weekly charts, dive down into that as we normally do, and then move down into the shorter time frames. We can see the impulsive move. We've seen the fifth and final wave that this is what it looks like at the moment. We're seeing a correction, looking for this C leg of the correction to maybe extend a little bit further to the downside, but we have seen prices stall just above the $101 level. So that's pretty interesting on the weekly chart. We've seen a little bit of indecision over the last couple of weeks after that reaction from the low. Now, drilling down to the daily chart, we can see we've drawn a trend line with we've got 3 or 4 points which have allowed us to highlight this trend line. Maybe we can adjust it to account for an extra number of points. So there is potential for this double bottom formation, really, if we do get this play out, get a break above this neckline and extended move higher. Obviously this will act to support this 92.55 level, will act to support if we do manage to break this downward this upward trending support, rather. Getting all my words confused now. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of upward trending support. We've also got the Ichimoku cloud. I'll just take that off to sort of like get a little bit more clarity on this. We'll get rid of this channel formation that we were in previously. This channel looks a little bit bigger now. And we've got the 21-day moving average, which is coming in at the moment at 111.54. Resistance above there comes in the shape of 112.65, which was the high from the 29th of June. And as we can see, these support levels here all the way down to 101.13. And that should provide enough support to see this reaction higher that we can pick up from these charts here. A nice positive candle from Friday's price action, and although it's quiet today, we've seen prices move higher. The short-term chart, the 4-hour chart, we can see there's potential for a little double bottom formation. Let's mark this on the charts. You get a low here and a low here. The neckline would come in around about this level here. So really looking for that break of the 112.65. Then the measured move target for this formation would be somewhere around about, extending this higher, bring it down to there, would be around about 125.50, which is not far away from the previous swing high that we saw, the multi-year high coming in at 126.30. Definitely something to look at. That 112.65 will be key. A break and a close above there on a daily basis or even a weekly basis would be really interesting indeed. So from the new sentiment side of things, also picked up quite an interesting flag yesterday. We can see that overall new sentiment has been bearish. This has been a continued move down from this level here, which we saw on the 9th of June, and we got a negative sentiment, this one, a 40% of daily new sentiment moving lower. 40% of the last 10 occurrences price has fallen within a day, and that was really signified the top. Now we've seen quite a decent 70% confidence of the market moving higher in the next 9 days. That's a pretty decent new sentiment. You can see new sentiment has turned higher. This is a 7-day EMA. Over the last 24 hours, it's pulled back a little bit. Fear index is low, so volatility expected to be pretty low. But if we can get a steady run up, prices could react higher. We've seen support on the technical side of things, so that's really interesting. And overall, a mildly positive outlook to WTI crude oil for the coming week. Okay, thanks for joining me. Hope you found it interesting and informative, and look forward to joining you again in a couple of weeks' time. Next week, Joe, neighbour, will take over from me, so he'll look forward to welcoming you then. Thanks very much.